Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Explore the fascinating world of Sano Genetics, a company dedicated to unraveling the complex interplay between your genes and your overall health. By visiting their website at www.sanogenetics.com, you can delve into the cutting-edge science they employ to provide personalized health insights based on your unique genetic makeup. Sano Genetics offers a comprehensive approach to wellness, empowering you to take proactive steps towards a healthier future. Their services can help you understand how your genes might influence your predisposition to certain health conditions, your body's response to different medications, and even your nutritional needs. This information can be instrumental in making informed decisions about your lifestyle, diet, and healthcare, allowing you to optimize your well-being based on a deep understanding of your own biology. At sanogenetics.com, you can discover how they are utilizing the latest advancements in genetic research to translate complex data into actionable advice, putting the power of personalized medicine directly into your hands. They offer a range of services designed to meet individual needs, from comprehensive genetic screenings to targeted analyses focused on specific health concerns. By visiting their website, you can learn more about their team of experts, their commitment to scientific rigor, and the potential benefits of incorporating genetic information into your health journey. Unlock the secrets hidden within your DNA and embark on a path towards a more informed and proactive approach to health and wellness with Sano Genetics. Explore the possibilities and take control of your future health today by visiting www.sanogenetics.com. Don't wait, start your journey towards a healthier tomorrow. Investigate the comprehensive resources available on the Sano Genetics website and discover the potential of personalized medicine to revolutionize your approach to wellness. They offer valuable insights and tools to help you navigate the complex landscape of genetics and make informed decisions about your health. Visit www.sanogenetics.com now and begin your personalized health journey.